Welcome back. Now I'm trying to put in the control arm again. I think this looks so big to get in, but we have to try. I had a problem getting this out, so I'm not thinking it's going to be any easier getting it in. Maybe I try to get some soap. Not filled up with soap around. Actually, the soap was helping a lot. The soap was helping a lot. I can see if I get this one in here too. This one I have to move out, but yeah, I just have to try. Bend it a little from back there and bend it out. Should help a lot. And then maybe this one got into to get some tools. I'm trying to line up the holes so I can get the screw through. Seems like they are the same length. They're not good. Yeah, they're the same. Okay. Then one bolt is supposed to go up here. Then this on the top. Put it in there. Now to get it in on that place. You see here, this has to go in there. It's going in, but very, very slowly. So I just have to keep on trying. Yeah, now it started to come in. I moved everything over and beat on the end of it and then started moving. But it was very good to put on some washer fluid for cups. The rubber gets easier to work with. Then let's see if I get this screwed through here. got the screw in there and here, and now I have to lift up the system to be able to get the whole system over. Let's see if this is going to work. A big problem getting in the screws or the system here. We're trying to bend on it, but I found out a breaker bar standing here now. I was able to get it on. So then we have 3 screws. Under here again. Tighten these ones first. Oh, I can. Yeah, I can take it away. Thinking to tighten down this bolt to 160. Oh, yeah, almost 160, 157 Newton. I found somewhere. Difficult to see. Yeah. I have to tighten down. There. Tighten up, and the other is tighten up. I can go to the other side, but after I have to tighten up those two. I have to tighten the ones under here. 19 Newton I found somewhere. Hope that's right. Then I just go and do the same on the other side, so I finish with those. Yeah, steering end is on, stabilization rocker arm, or what some of you guys call it, is on. And tightened. One there is fixed. The screw up here is fixed on both sides. On the other side, on the steering knuckle here, that was system was in there, was broken off on bad. Yeah, now it's in. Just have to put on the wheels and out trying it. I'm not sure if we do it for a little while now, because we have some basket match we have to see. Yeah, but at least should be able to get it done on the wheels. Yeah, finally I got the suspension lower arm back in the car. I was seeing that maybe I should put in just that one instead of all the other parts. Oh, some reason, because the bushings under the steering rack, 3 of the 4 screws was easy to get out. Number 4 is more or less under the mounting for the engine. So that was, I haven't found out how to take it out without how to remove a lot more. So that one is standing, but yeah. Also the the bushings and the stabilization bar front and back is not changed yet. I ended up thinking that maybe it was easier to drive it up on some high thing and change it standing on the wheels than have to try to do it the way I could do it where it was standing, because it was a little, I had to go right under the car and it didn't feel like it was stable enough. So I just decided not to put it in right away. Don't take any chances. We don't need more people dying of getting crushed by cars. In Norway here I have been up to 2 persons dying every year because of that. We don't need it. Other countries maybe a lot more. But I was out driving it now, and we have a lot of bad roads here, broken up asphalt and things, and the noise are gone. So it looks like my problem, my noises, was coming from the rubber pipe pieces of maybe in the parts that was the big bushings standing up with a screw right up, going into the back side of the engine, more or less, to the firewall. Isn't that what you call it? So the back bushings on both sides, especially on the passenger side, that seems a lot worn. But I also found that the little what do you call it, from the stabilization stuck down to the shock absorber, that short metallic rod with the bushings and ball joints up top and bottom, I found that on the driver's side I had a little slack, not much, very little, but when I get it in the right angles, I get it to move or like make a little knocking noise. So it could also be in that. But at least now it's start to be fixed, that problem. So now we can start to use the car a little again, and that's good. He's starting at school soon now. They have to drive at least 2 or 3 days a week. 500 kilometer, what I say, 50 kilometer to school and 50 kilometer back. So maybe you can drive this one the first week. When it start to be more winter, I hope to have something safer for him to drive on needle tires and things like that. But yeah, at least I get something done. This has been hanging over me for at least 1 month now. But you see, this is sorry, my brain has stopped. Yeah, in August now I had a plan to get a lot of different things done. So at least I can say that I've done something here. And I made a car video from a car show and all the small things. Hopefully I can soon get someone to help me with the Land Cruiser. And then I have to see which one of the other cars I drive up here to start doing more with. I have to check up more on the Trans Am, because the vacuum could be one of the problems why the transmission is not working, and plus. It's a lot of things. It's going to be many different things. I have almost 3 weeks more vacation, so I hope to be able to do something. Please come back, please put a like, please start follow the channel. Thank you.